Welcome guys. Let's do Ethereum name service token technical analysis and price prediction. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and please watch this video complete. Current rank of ENS is 221 and price of ENS is $40.95 right now. Market cap of ENS is for $829 million, which is very huge, and fully diluted market cap of ENS token is $4 billion. That is very, very huge. 24-hour trading volume of ENS is $98 million. Circulating supply of ENS is just 20 million only. Maximum and total supply of ENS is only 100 million. Let me please show you some statistics. After that, I will show you charts. All-time high of this token was on November 11, 2021, about 2 months ago, and price was $85. All-time low of this token was on November 9, 2021, about 2 months ago, and price was $22. And it is available on these exchanges: Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Gate.io. And if you want to buy this token on Binance or KuCoin exchange, just go to this video's description or comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and register your account. After registration and after first deposit, you can grab $9,180 bonuses of these exchanges. These bonuses are absolutely free and these are tradable bonuses. Just trade with these bonuses only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let me please show you website of this token. Decentralized naming for wallets, websites and more. Your Web3 username. No more sandbox users name on your username. Store an avatar and other profile data and use it across services. ENS is the most widely integrated blockchain naming standard. Names 599k, integration 381 and owners 252k. That is very huge number. One name of all of your crypto addresses. No more copying and pasting all addresses. Use your ENS name to store all your crypto addresses and receive any cryptocurrency token or NFT. Here you can see. Example is that name.eth. You can book your tokens or you can register a domain with your token address, and after that this token address will be your primary address, and after that you have to just give this address for deposit, and after that this is very easy way to deposit and there is no need to remember long or copy long addresses. Use traditional domains .com, org, io, app, xyz, art. ENS ecosystem. Coinbase, Trust Wallet, Bitcoin.com. Apps, Uniswap, OpenSea, Aave, Etherscan, Showtime. Browsers, Brave, Opera, Status, Cloudflare, MetaMask. That is why this is very, very important token. Let me please show you first chart. This is ENS USD pair 4-hour chart and currently it is at $40.89 right now. Support level is at $37 price zone and first resistance is at $43 price zone. Once it breaks $43 price zone, next target is $49 price zone. After that, $54 price zone and $63 price zone. These all are coming targets. But for these all targets, it have to break this area, $43 price zone, and close 4-hourly candle above this. In that case, price definitely will move towards upside. And here you can see we see a corrective move of near about 56%, and that is very huge move towards downside. And now it is ready for upside move, I think so. It have to cross 43. After that it will hit these targets very, very soon. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Here you can see EMA ribbon is at the same point where this horizontal resistance is, and it is $43 price zone. Once daily candle closing above $43 price zone, in that case definitely it can hit these targets very soon. Here you can see candles break this towards upside, and after that we see a impulsive move of 78%. Candle move break this towards downside, and after that we see a move of approximately 41% and 42%. And now here you can see candles broke this towards upside, and after that we see a move of 18%, and now candles are again trying to break this EMA ribbon. Once candles broke this, in that case definitely it will hit these all targets. And let me please show you some fib levels to trade. Let me please arrange this chart. Once it break this area, $48 price zone, it will break this first fib level, 0.23. After that, 0.38, which is $55 price zone. And after that, 0.5, which is $61 price zone. And after that, 0.61, which is $66 price zone. And after that, 0.78, which is $74 price zone. These all zones are fib levels for trading. Note down these levels. Let me please show you daily chart. This is daily chart, and currently it is at $40.94 price zone. There is a support at $37 price zone and $28 price zone. It have to cross this area. Once it broke this horizontal resistance of $46 price zone, after that it is ready to hit $52 price zone, and after that $64 price zone. And if it rejected, in that case $37 and $28 are major support levels, and we have to wait for these. Let me please show you daily EMA ribbon. Daily EMA ribbon is at $49 price zone. It have to cross this area. After that, impulsive move towards upside will definitely come, and we have to wait for this move. And let me please show you some fib levels according to the trend base fib levels. And let me please do this, and let me please arrange this chart. Here you can see it break this first level, and it is 0.23 fib level, which was $38 price zone. Next target is 0.38 fib level, which is $44 price zone. And after that 0.5, which is $49 price zone. And after that 0.61, which is golden pocket, and it is at $54 price zone. And after that 0.78 fib level, which is $62 price zone. These all are coming targets and fib levels to trade. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please give me your support, and always keep watching my videos. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section, where you can get these links, and click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free and tradable bounces. Just trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.